The trial for a woman accused of plotting to murder her husband is now underway. Brooke Williams was in the courtroom today for day one in the trial of Nikki Entzel and brings us the latest. Brooke?
Nicholas, the state began presenting its case today, and the very first witness called to the stand was a Central Dakota communications employee that took the 911 call that Nikki Entzel placed the day her husband's body was found. Now, jurors heard that 911 call played in the courtroom today. Here's a portion of that call that they heard.
And I tried calling them, no answers. They tried calling him, no answer. So I said, I was just swamped. I couldn't get away at work today, and I'm coming out now because I'm off work, and he can't get in the door. And when I look, everything's black. They died. They want to go in and check.
Slow. Hey, Nikki, calm down for me, okay? Nikki, I need you to calm down for me, okay?
The emotion heard during that 911 call, the state says, is just a ruse. In her opening statement today, State's Attorney Julie Lawyer laid out the state's case. Lawyer telling jurors in the days before Chad Entzel was shot to death, his wife Nikki took out a rental insurance policy and tried to cash in on it the day after Chad's murder.
On January 3rd, she files a claim with that renter's insurance policy that she took out on December 27th. On January 7th, a claim is filed on Chad's life insurance with Allstate. In 2018, you'll find out they got married in 2016, and in 2018, he had taken out a total of $600,000 in life insurance with his wife Nikki as a sole beneficiary.
Entzel's defense attorney reserving his opening statement for later in the trial. The state called several witnesses to the stand, including a sheriff's office deputy who detailed what he says Entzel told him at the scene. He testified she said Chad had a drinking problem and would abuse her. She also showed him photos of what she said were her injuries.
How was she able to show you a photo?
She had her cell phone with her.
How long did it take her to pull up that photo?
Oh, it was pretty quick. It was almost like she was prepared to tell me.
Chad's mother, Deb Entzel, was also called to the stand and testified she never witnessed any abuse in the marriage.
What would you have done if Nikki told you Chad was abusing her?
I would never have believed it.
Her testimony becoming emotional at times as she remembered the son she knew and lost.
That's Chad?
Yes.
Okay. And that's how you remember him?
Oh, always those dimples.
Now, the video you're seeing right now shows Chad Entzel's sister hanging her head. Listens to testimony by the medical examiner about the extent of her brother's injuries. He testified about the gunshot wounds, and that was very difficult testimony for her to hear, as you can see by her reaction there. Now, prior to that testimony, Chad's sister herself took the witness stand. She said that she never witnessed any abuse during the marriage between Chad and Nikki. However, at one point she did observe bruises on Nikki. However, she testified that Nikki told her she has a medical condition and that she bruises easily. Reporting live in Bismarck, Brooke Williams, KX News.
Okay, Brooke, thank you very much. We are streaming the trial, and you can watch our live coverage on our website, kxnet.com.